Do you write your research papers in LaTeX on Overleaf? Here's how you can bring Paperpal's academic writing features directly into Overleaf. Start by accessing the installation page from the left-hand side pane and click on Chrome extension. From here, click on Add to Chrome. Once installed, you can also pin the Chrome extension. Go through the onboarding instructions to understand the features, and then click Try it in Overleaf. Once you sign in to your Paperpal account, you will see the Paperpal icon appear on the right side of your screen. Click on it to get started. Paperpal opens a full right-hand side panel within Overleaf, giving you access to edit, rewrite, write, and chat PDF, all without leaving your LaTeX editor. It also works across both the code editor and visual editor on Overleaf, and does not alter your LaTeX code, only the content within it. Under the Edit tab, Paperpal surfaces language and consistency suggestions directly mapped to your document. Select any suggestion card, and the relevant sentence is highlighted in your editor, so you always know exactly where the change applies. Accept or reject each suggestions individually, or apply them all at once. Under the Consistency tab, Paperpal flags inconsistencies across your manuscript, be it p-value formatting, figure references, and more. Fix all of them in just one click. With Rewrite, select any sentence or paragraph and choose from 7 modes. Make academic, for example, to enhance your writing without changing your meaning. You can replace it directly within your document. With Write, tell Paperpal what you need and get context-aware AI writing assistance directly within your Overleaf document, whether you are drafting a section, generating a transition sentence, or getting feedback on your manuscript. And with Chat PDF, upload your research paper and chat with your PDF directly. Ask questions, extract key insights, and more. Each insight is grounded in the source PDF with numbered markers for easy verification. You can also save your insights as notes and continue your writing journey from here. Everything you need to write, refine, and polish is now inside Overleaf. Add Paperpal to Overleaf today.